Hi everybody, so I'm going to be doing a Blu-ray Steelbook review of Sicaro, starring Emily Blunt, Benicio del Toro and Josh Brolin. When I bought this from Zavvi it was a 2 for £15 deal. I did not realise that this was done by the same director who did Arrival. Denis, I'm not going to even try and pronounce his second name, and I watched that the other day and I was absolutely blown away by it. But I've heard really good films about this film. Didn't really see that many films in 2016, to be honest, not at the cinemas anyway, so I missed this one. But I really do love this steelbook design. I did live in, I think it's in Mexico, isn't it? Yeah, I did live in Mexico for 3 years, so got quite a strong bond with it. It's got a sort of rough texture to it. Not rough, but it's definitely not smooth, the type of glossy one, and I think that is just a fantastic steelbook image. Really, really nice. Nice gold. There's the spine, just Sicaro, line skate. And on the back, imagine that's in a tunnel, a soldier. Let's have a look first on the back, forgot, sorry. In Mexico, Sicaro means hitman in the lawless border area stretching between the US and Mexico. An idealistic FBI agent, Kate Macy, played by Emily Blunt, is enlisted by an elite government task force official, Josh Brolin, to aid in the escalating war against drugs. Led by an enigmatic consultant with a questionable past, Benicio del Toro, the team sets out on a clandestine journey, forcing Kate to question everything that she believes in order to survive. I suppose that's quite relevant today. Special features: stepping into darkness, the visual design of Sicaro, Blunt, Brolin and Benicio portraying the characters of Sicaro, A Pulse from the Desert, the score of Sicaro, Battle Zone, the origins of Sicaro. And this is Region B. It says running time roughly 121 minutes. Audio Dolby True HD Atmos, Dolby Digital, optimised for late night listening 2.0. Don't think I've ever seen that before. Spanish Dolby Digital 5.1. Audio description Dolby Digital 2.0. Languages English. Subtitles English for hearing impaired, and Spanish. Would think they would have Spanish on there. And that looks like that's all in there, so just get this out. So there's the watch anytime. In Mexico, Sicaro means hitman, and Benicio del Toro. I think that's the cover art for the MOA. So yeah, very nice. Glad I got this in my collection. You can finally watch it. And put this back in. I like there how the water's sort of reflective. I don't think the camera will pick that up properly, but that does stand out. Glad to have that in my collection now. Hope you enjoyed that. Take care for now. Peace. Bye bye.
You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.